Tonight, Governor Ron DeSantis signing 3 bills into law, one targeting animal cruelty, another inspired by a dog rescue during a hurricane, and the third changing how firearms are regulated during emergencies. Our Sydney DeShawn has more now on what these new laws mean for those here on the First Coast.
Governor Ron DeSantis making headlines, signing 3 new laws that he says will reshape how Florida protects both its people and its pets. Troopers Law, named after a bull terrier rescued during Hurricane Milton. It makes it a felony to restrain and abandon a dog outside during a natural disaster or evacuation. Offenders could now face up to 5 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. The new law, which takes effect October 1st, also sets new penalties for failing to provide confined animals with food, water, or exercise, making such neglect a first-degree misdemeanor. Dexter's Law raises the stakes for animal abusers, inspired by a shelter dog killed just days after adoption. This law toughens penalties for aggravated cruelty and launches the state's first-ever animal abuser database. Convicted offenders will be listed publicly, giving shelters and communities a new tool to keep animals safe. The law takes effect July 1st. And effective immediately, House Bill 6025 lifts automatic restrictions on carrying firearms and ammunition during declared emergencies. Law-abiding gun owners can now keep and carry their firearms during emergencies as long as they follow existing laws. Supporters argue this protects Second Amendment rights, right when Floridians may feel most vulnerable in times of crisis. Sydney DeShawn, First Coast News, on your side.